doing the golf thing?
Yes, we are doing the drawing for the golf trip, and I am so pumped up. So, if you haven't been keeping up, we did a contest for 3 people to win a trip to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, April 9th through the 12th. Pretty much all expenses paid. You know, you had to get yourself there. You'll buy snacks and lunch. GCI will take care of the supper, dinner, which we'll eat 3 really nice restaurants, probably Hard Rock, Carolina Roadhouse, and Roberto's, the Italian.
Bring me home some lasagna.
Bring you some lasagna. Roberto's. We're going to be staying 4 individual separate rooms, a room for each person, at the Marina Inn at Grand Dunes. Really nice place. And we're going to be playing Myrtle Beach National, Kings North. Nice track. Grand Dunes, which is probably my favorite golf course down there. And Prestwick Country Club, which I know it's nice. I've never played it. Okay, so I want to go over this with you. I want you guys to understand the format of how we're going to do the drawing, and I want you to tell me if you think this is the fair way or not, okay? So it's on a spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet. So this list of people, like Scott Miller, number 1, Tyler Collins, number 2, Gary Herrera, number 3, Chad Cochran, number 4. This is the order in which the emails came in. When I made the announcement and they said, all right, I'm in, they sent an email. Scott sent the first email. So I've got them in that order as they came in. -2 right there, and we're at 38. So that's 36 total entries. 36 people.
We're going to do the series.
Okay. 36. Hang on. No, listen, let me finish. 36 total people entered. All right, the stipulation was for every $250 you've spent in the past 2 years, you get 1 X entry. So if you've spent $500, you get 2 entries, $753, $1,004. You follow me? So Mama went through and verified what people have spent over the past, it was actually 2 years, 2 months. All right, so then we divided that number by 250, right? So that's how many entries they get. And as far as the entries go, they were all the way from 1 entry, like this gentleman spent $289.93. Okay, so I'm assuming he bought like a backpack sprayer or something. So he gets 1 entry. And this guy right here has spent over $5,000. And his come up to 20 entries. They're all across the board. Here's a 2 entry, 9 entry, 19, 13, 17, 13, 18, 18, and then all in between. So as you can see on the top line, I've got them 1 through 20. Can you see it right there? See, I got them 1 through 20. All right, so I started with the top guy, the one that sent the email in first, and went straight down the list all the way from 1 down to 36, okay? Then I go back to the top. And so this first guy, like Scott Miller, he had 18 entries. So he gets number 1, and then it starts over after 36 to 37.
So it's like a lottery.
It's like a lottery. And then it goes all the way back down.
And it repeats the process.
And it repeats the process over and over and over and over again. So I've got 20 lines, because that was the most entries, right? 20 lines going across, and then how many entries they have going down. Okay, so you can see when you get like, this guy had 2 entries, so he just gets 2 numbers. His numbers, number 7 and number 43. Where this guy had 6 entries, so he's got number 10, 44, 72, 96, 113, and 128. Do you guys think that's the fairest way I could come up with it?
I think it makes sense, yeah.
Can you think of any other fairer way?
Nope.
All right, let's do this. Because I'm pretty sure it's the most fairest way. Okay, get your phone out. Let's let you go first. No, girls first. Girls first. You go first. I want you to Google random number generator. Woo!
I'm going to go ahead and get it set up.
This is exciting. Do not hit the number. Okay, don't hit the number until I tell you to. All right, and you need to set it up. Number 1 to. There are 231 actual entries when you take the 36 people and then you multiply that. I'm so embarrassed. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. So I was just sitting there editing the video for the giveaway. I was so pumped up and so ready to do this and announce the winners that I didn't even check to check my battery in my speaker, my microphone. This little thing that I talk into, this part still got battery, but it's the receiver that goes on the camera. The stinking battery went dead. Cannot believe that happened. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. The contest is over. We've done the drawing. I'm going to pull my spreadsheet back up and tell you the winners, but I'm going to let the original video keep playing. Okay, I'm gonna put the original video up in the corner so that you can continue watching it. We had a blast drawing these names, and that's something I cannot recreate it. I mean, you can't recreate that kind of anticipation, because I've been looking forward to this night for several days now, and I screwed up. I did not check my battery on my microphone. That is a rookie mistake. I am so sorry. But like I said, the contest is over. So let's just do this. I am super excited about this, and I'm still excited, but the emotions aren't going to be there right now. I'm sorry, but in the video, I mean, we were all pumped up to draw these names. I cannot believe I did that. I did. Okay, let's go. You already heard the format of the way everything was going to happen, and let me make sure I wasn't leaving out anything. There are 231 actual entries when you take the 36 people and then you multiply that. Jared, that's when my speaker went out. Okay, so there's 231 total entries. It ranged anywhere from, there were 4 or 5 people with 1 entry, there were 2 or 3 people with 2 entries, some 3 entries, 8 entries, 6 entries, 5 entries, all the way up to 20. And I made the spreadsheet, and then I got lines across the top, 1 through 20, and then the names on the left. And as they went across and lined up with 2 entries, 3 entries, 4, you got a number. And I started at the top, went down 1 through 36, back up to the top 37, down. And if we got to your name and we were on the 3rd column and you only had 2 entries, well, you didn't get a number in that column because you only had 2 entries. Hope you understand. I just cannot believe the first ever contest I've done, and it's a big deal like this. It's a big deal to me to be able to treat these folks to this kind of a trip, and I daggone didn't film. My microphone battery went dead. Did you hear that, Jax? The battery right as we're getting ready to do the drawing, the stinking battery on the microphone, and now I have no volume over all that. That is nuts. Oh man. Okay, the winners. Here we go. I can't recreate the excitement. I'm still excited, trust me, I'm still pumped up. But we did the drawing, and we did random number generator. Jax was had Google pulled up random number generator. My daughter Leah did it, and then I did one. So Jax drew the first one, and the winner, the number one. No, Leah did the first one. Girls first. Leah's random number generator. Do you remember the number? It was dead on 100. That's right. It was number 100 is what come up first. Ronnie Taylor. Mr. Ronnie, you have won the first slot. Do you remember what the second number was, Jax?
110.
Wow, he's pretty good. 110.
That's the only ones I remember.
Huh?
That's the only ones I remember.
That's the only ones you remember. All right, second slot was that fell on the number 110, which is Gary Herrera. I know Gary. That is so cool that you won, bro. That is so cool. And then number 3, do you remember what that number is by chance? Wasn't it up in the 200s?
I have no clue.
I can't remember what the number is, but as we were making the video, I went through and highlighted the winners, okay? Jax is sitting over there. He can verify it. I'm not trying to hoodoo anybody out of anything. This is straight up legit. And I highlighted it, and number 3 is Kevin Thomas. First slot, Ronnie Taylor. Second slot, Gary Herrera. Third slot, Kevin Thomas. I will be emailing you boys probably tomorrow. And I don't know when this video is going to post, but tomorrow from whenever today is. It's Saturday. I'll probably March 7th. I'll probably email you on March the 8th. So be looking for that video. And this video is probably going to post March 8th if I can get it edited in time. All right, so we needed 3 backups, okay, in case one of those guys can't go. Our first backup winner is Marquise Camp. Marquise Camp, you got the number 4 slot. So be on go. In case one of the other 3 guys can't go, you'll get the first chance to go in their place. The number 5 winner was Brooke Canup. I think that's the way you say his name, C-A-N-U-P-P, Canup, Brooke Canup. You'll get the 5th slot. So, you know, if Marcus can't go and one of the other guys can't go, I'll hit you up. And then the 6th slot, which was our 3rd backup, is Jason Troy. So, man, I cannot believe the stinking battery on the microphone went dead. Oh, I'm sorry again. It happens. I mean, you can see right here in the corner of the video, we're actually going through doing all this. I just don't have the volume there. So it is what it is. Again, I'm sorry. I'm going to email you guys again, Ronnie Taylor, Gary Herrera, Kevin Thomas. Congratulations. You have won the trip to Myrtle Beach to play some golf and eat good. We might all suck at golf, but we're definitely going to eat good, that's for sure. And then our number 1 runner up, or our number 1 alternate, is Marquise Camp. Number 2 alternate, Brooke Canup, and number 3 alternate, Jason Troy. Again, I apologize. Forgive me for not being diligent and checking my batteries. That was, to me, that's messed up. But it is what it is. It's straight up legit right here. I'm just not going to hoodoo anybody out of something like this. So, I cannot believe I did that. Oh, man. So be looking for that email, guys, and I will send you the email and give you all the details, and we'll hook up at the beach, and we're going to have a fantastic time. Again, I'm sorry for messing this up. It was really exciting, And I wanted you to be a part of that excitement that me and the kids shared, but I jacked it up. I'm sorry. Check you later.